are you doing? Walk the door. Walk. I can't go around, buddy. I can't go around you. Hey, buddy, guess what? You're on camera.
I don't care. Go around me.
Dude. I'm not. Dude. Dude. RR8E75.
Busy period of time, I'm available.
Right.
So.
Good.
Oh man! I just had an accident.
Are you okay?
The guy ran a stop sign. I just.
All right. You're okay?
Two, neither of which is active on its own, which only work when they're combined together. How?
Oh, car accident!
Boulevard. Head east on East Mill Plain Boulevard toward D Street.
Chasing down the driver that hit him. Yeah. What the? What is going on? I'm in the car and he's chasing down the car that hit him because the car's.
J'envoie quoi lui, j'ai pas compris.
Bro. Oh, okay. Holy.
Damn it, bro. What are you doing?
He's running. He's running.